Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our favorite channel, a place for health information and education. How are you all? I pray that you are always healthy and achieve your dreams and success. We pray you are always in good health, filled with enthusiasm, and on your way to achieving all your dreams. Today, with me, Dr. Ibrahim, we're going to talk about something incredibly important, something that affects millions of people over the age of 60. Have you ever felt like your strength isn't what it used to be? Maybe you're getting tired more easily, or finding it harder to do the things you once loved. This isn't just you getting older. It's a specific condition called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass. But what if I told you that a simple, delicious food, one you might already have in your fridge, could be a powerful weapon in this fight? Imagine reclaiming your strength, your energy, and your independence, one tasty bite at a time. A leading expert in health and wellness, Dr. Thomas Reed, has revealed a fascinating strategy. He suggests that 3 specific types of cheese can be extraordinary tools to combat sarcopenia and rebuild your muscles. The secret is surprisingly simple. Aim to eat between 25 to 30 grams of protein at each of your main meals, with a special focus on breakfast. This consistent protein supply throughout the day acts like a constant signal to your body, telling it to build and repair muscle tissue, keeping you strong and vibrant. So, are you ready to discover these 3 muscle-building marvels? Let's dive in and explore how they can truly transform your health. First on our list is the humble, yet mighty, cottage cheese. This isn't just a simple breakfast food. It's a true muscle-building powerhouse. Just a half-cup serving packs an incredible 14 grams of high-quality protein. In fact, about 70% of its calories come directly from protein. But what makes cottage cheese truly exceptional is its richness in an essential amino acid called leucine. With over a gram of leucine in that half-cup serving, it acts like a master switch, literally turning on your body's muscle-building machinery. The main protein in cottage cheese is casein, which is known as a slow-release protein. This means it provides a steady stream of nourishment to your muscles for 6 to 8 hours. This makes it a fantastic choice to have before bed, as it can help prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep. To get the most out of it, try to have about half a cup to 1 full cup each day. The best time? Definitely at breakfast. Your muscles are most receptive to protein first thing in the morning, so starting your day with cottage cheese gives them exactly what they need to start building and repairing right away. It's the perfect, powerful start to your day. Next up, let's talk about a true Italian classic. Parmesan cheese, specifically the king of cheeses, Parmigiano Reggiano. This is so much more than just a topping for your pasta. It's a highly concentrated source of complete protein. A single ounce delivers over 10 grams of protein. The magic of Parmesan lies in its long aging process, often 24 months or even longer. This extensive aging breaks down the proteins, making it incredibly gentle on the stomach and easy to digest. This is a huge plus, especially for older adults whose digestive systems might not be as efficient as they once were. But the benefits don't stop at protein. Parmesan is a calcium powerhouse. 1 ounce provides an amazing 331 milligrams of calcium, which is a full 25% of your daily requirement. Why is this so important? Because every single muscle contraction in your entire body, from blinking your eyes to lifting a grocery bag, depends on calcium to happen correctly. You don't need a lot to reap these benefits, just 1 to 2 ounces a day is perfect. For the best flavor and nutritional value, always try to grate it fresh yourself. Sprinkle it generously over your morning scrambled eggs, mix it into hearty soups and salads, or simply enjoy a few small chunks as a savory, protein-packed snack. It's an easy and delicious way to fortify your muscles and bones. And finally, our third cheese champion is ricotta cheese. Ricotta holds a special place on this list because it's made from whey protein. Whey is famous for being the fastest absorbing protein you can eat. Your body can typically assimilate it in just 30 to 60 minutes. It's also packed with branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs. These aminos are unique because they bypass the liver and go straight to your muscle tissue, providing immediate fuel for rapid repair and growth. One of ricotta's biggest advantages, particularly for seniors, is its wonderfully smooth and creamy texture. This makes it an incredibly easy source of protein for anyone who might have dental issues or difficulty with swallowing tougher foods. On top of that, it's naturally low in sodium with only about 100 milligrams in a half-cup serving. The absolute best time to enjoy ricotta is within 2 hours after any kind of physical activity. Whether it's a walk, some gardening, or light exercise, this is your body's prime muscle repair window. Eating ricotta then maximizes this opportunity, helping your muscles recover and grow stronger, faster. Try using it as a base for flavorful dips, spreading it on whole grain toast, or mixing it into your favorite pasta sauces for a creamy, protein-rich boost. So how do you put this all together for the best results? We recommend aiming for 2 to 3 servings of these incredible cheeses every day. This simple strategy can provide you with between 35 to 40 grams of high-quality protein from cheese alone, giving you a massive head start on your daily protein goals. But remember, diet is only one half of the equation. To truly unlock your muscle building potential, you need to combine this strategic eating with regular resistance training. This doesn't mean you have to become a bodybuilder. Simple exercises like standing up from a chair several times, using light weights, or working with resistance bands 2 to 3 times a week can create a powerful synergistic effect. When you give your muscles the fuel they need from these cheeses and the stimulus they need from exercise, the results are incredible. This powerful combination dramatically boosts your muscles' response, promoting significant growth and strength even in your later years. By embracing these 3 amazing cheeses and pairing them with consistent, sensible exercise, you can actively fight back against sarcopenia, rebuild lean muscle, and truly enhance your quality of life well into your golden years. It's about staying strong, active, and independent for as long as possible. Start nourishing your muscles today. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this information inspires and empowers you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and share it with anyone you think could benefit. Your support means the world to us. We'll see you in the next video. Stay strong and be well.